Today I have an unboxing and it's not huge. I got a couple more pans to go with that starter set of the Roman Szmal watercolors, and I got something that I'm just dying to try. I had a hard time finding them because of Christmas, of course. The new R&F drawing oil. Let's get everything unboxed so I can swatch them and see if they're going to be my new go-to. So let's dig right into this one. Oh my goodness. Okay. It took these so long to come because of Christmas and stuff that I can't even remember what I ordered. Oh right, I got another black wing drawing pencil. My other one, I only have a soft one left. Let's just pull these right out. That's it. Okay, that's not very much for, this was an expensive box. Okay, let's just see. Oh wow. Okay, they've got a skin on them. So these are supposed to be sort of like an oil pastel, maybe not as creamy from what I've seen, but they completely dry. And I've always wanted to use oil pastels on my work, especially my mixed media work on my wood panels, but I couldn't because I was worried about it not drying. Oh, they're pretty. The big thing about these is they'll dry. Oh my goodness, is that it? Wow. Okay, that's kind of scary. I won't tell you what this came to. Okay, and I got, oh good. I got two of the light blue Neo colors. I couldn't remember if I did or not, and these are the Neo color too, because I had none. Let's move right along. That was from Above Ground Arts in Toronto, and now this one is from Gortzman's in Toronto. Oh, I forgot I ordered this. Look, I'm getting ahead of myself. So I ordered a new palette, and this is just for my Roman Szmal pans. So I'm going to put them all in this. Okay, oh, here's the new pans I got. So I got that cheap 5 set with some odd colors in it. And this I just feel would round out the set better so I can mix more. This is a Terra Pulazzi, I can't even see, Puzzola. And this is phthalo blue, and this is magenta. I paint a lot of flowers, so I definitely need a pink or a magenta. They will go into that with the other ones. Let's just see what I have here. Let's get this out of the way. So this is the Fluid 100 watercolor paper block, and I just want to try it because it is a lot more affordable, and it does say that it's 100% cotton. We're going to check it out. So we got that, and I'm going to actually be reviewing all kinds of cotton watercolor paper. Okay, so let's just move these over. We have these so far. Okay, and I got 2 more Caran d'Ache Neo 2s in white. There we go. Here's the drying oils. I got 2 white because, I mean, with anything you use a lot of white. Oh, that's very interesting. That's the titanium unbleached. Yeah, there wasn't a huge selection of colors, so I will be ordering some more if I like them. I didn't want to order too much. Well, I actually ordered what I could. This is really, I don't even think I could get a red. They must have been very popular this Christmas. Oh, I got a pink. Oh, that is a nice color, a warm pink. Okay, I got a green. Wow, are these going to be messy? I'm hoping they're not going to be messy. But I see they've got them in Kleenex, so, okay. Yeah, I have no red whatsoever. Oh, they stink. Well, not too bad. We'll see when I test it. Oh, that's beautiful. Look. Oh, okay. So I have a few pigment sticks and oil sticks, and usually you have to scrape the. Oh, you can peel it off too. Okay. Oh, it just wiped right up. Okay. And of course these are just like oil paints. Oh, they have a smell. And it's like an oil smell, like a linseed oil smell. I hope I can use them. I'm very sensitive to smells, but we will see. Okay, so that's the unbleached titanium. Okay, let me get this. Oh, this doesn't even feel like it has a skin on it. Okay, this is nickel yellow. Oh, that's nice. Okay, this poor little guy's dirty. Oh, this one feels different. Like it's drier. Oh, no. You know what? These are really, ugh. These are really smooth and creamy. Like they glide. Oh, that one, yeah, like look. I didn't even need to rub that one. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, you can mix them right on the page. But they feel like pastels, oil pastels. Yeah, they're almost greasy. That one was cobalt blue. Yeah, I don't know about the smell though, but I've had a slight headache today anyway, so that's Provence blue. And this was cerulean. All right, so yeah, that one felt kind of greasy, but not in a bad way. Let's just see, what is this? That's Midnight. Oh, this is phthalo. This is a color I use. Wow, like, yeah, like I'm just barely touching this and it's coming right off. But the blues, they don't feel sticky. It's kind of hard to describe. Phthalo. And this is Midnight. But yeah, you can definitely smell the linseed oil. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful and opaque. Look at that. Oh, okay. I'm excited. Okay. Oh my word, I'm just looking for something that just to do mark making with on top of my mixed media paintings or collage paintings, or I don't even know if I have one handy. I don't. But that is beautiful. I like the opaqueness for sure. Okay, what do we have? Chromium oxide green. Actually, let me start with the lighter ones. This, yeah, I knew I was gonna love this. And again, they're almost lipsticky, but when I press, a whole bunch just doesn't go all over the place. Like they're kind of firm. Yeah, I think they're nice. I like them. I just need to find a good way to store them. Oh, yeah, you know what? So the opaque ones are, yeah, they're creamier and perm green. Creamier, definitely creamier and thicker feeling. Celadon green, I knew that. Yeah, I'm very excited. I get so excited easy. So this was chrome oxide. And this, yeah, so like you barely have to even rub it. Now we'll see after they sit for a while after I use them if they skin over. Yeah, oh, that's beautiful. Okay, I can't even tell you how excited I am. Warm pink. I cannot wait. So I can't wait to do something with these. So I'll make a video for sure, my first time using them. That's, oh, Mars red. Okay. Then we have brown pink. Yeah. Not a big fan of that, but you know, maybe we can mix it with stuff. I should have did that up here. This is Quin Magenta Light. Oh, nice and opaque. I like that. So let's see what we have. I have a Payne's Gray, Mars Black, and Raw Umber. Let's do our Raw Umber. Okay, so this one's a little like stuff's coming off, but it could just be the coating that maybe I have to, oh, the smell, yeah. I'll bring my air purifier closer when I use them. Okay, so the Payne's Gray. Oh, that's a nice blue, black. So yeah, I can see sorta, if I press hard, it actually digs it up again. So, and of course I'm putting it on white, so the white's showing through. Over top of something, it probably won't matter. And Mars Black. Oh yeah, there it is. That's nice. Yeah, I love black in my mixed media. That's probably one of the few times I like black. Okay, so they are, yeah, I'm really excited about those. Now, the only thing is I can't just close this because these actually have to dry, and they actually have different drying times. So I'll have to look into it a little more and see if the fat over lean applies to these as well. I'm not sure, but I'll do a little more research before I try them out. I really can't remember. Let's set these aside. Let me find my Roman Szmal. So I actually swatched these and reviewed these on my channel. I'll put the link to that in the description. I just wanted to show you because I'll swatch these new ones as well, but in a different video. I don't want this to get long. And I'm don't have a lot of energy today anyway. So these will go in here and I'll move these over there. I couldn't fit 3 more in here. So I will switch those over to there and then I will swatch these, maybe do a color chart with all of them. I'll also link that below once it's done in case you're watching this after I do it. So yeah, so that'll be exciting and I'll paint something with the new colors and see what I can do. So that is so exciting. I just can't wait. So now I've got to clean all this up off of my thing though. That's the only thing. Maybe they're going to be a little too messy. I like the ones that have the paper folded over the bottom. I almost need like a separate storage. Almost like a lipstick holder maybe would work. I'll have to look and see. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you enjoyed getting a quick look at the new R&F drawing oils. I can't wait to try them and you'll be the first to know when I do. I'll catch you in the next one.